Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here, how you doing? I'm here with another food review. I think this one might be the 92nd one, you can correct me if I'm wrong. As you might see here, I do have 3 candy bars in a sense. This one, Piggle, this one is French Nougat, and this one is called Skotte, which can be translated to Scottish. So it might be some Scottish chocolate or something. But I do doubt it, since it's a Swedish brand nonetheless. I'm gonna start off with Piggle. I have pre-opened them. At least I tried. So sorry if it takes a while. It has some cocoa and cream inside it. Cocoa and cream flavor. Going with the French Nougat. Wasn't really that good. It's kind of hard to chew as well. I'm going to try the Scottish one. So, if I have to choose, the Piggle can be good every once in a while, not every time. The French Nougat wasn't good at all, in my opinion at least. If I have to binge any of these, I would probably choose the Scottish one. And second, the Piggle. I don't really like coconut flavor in my on my candy, but that's just a personal preference. So if you like coconut cream, then that one might be yours. But the French Nougat, I won't really try that again. If you have tried them, you can comment below, like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.